Hey everyone, Daniel Rubino here, Windows Central, and this is the Swift 5. It's been updated for 2019. Today we're going to tell you what's new. Stay tuned.
The Swift 5 is where Acer kicks off its more premium laptop line, while also pushing some design boundaries. The refreshed Swift 5 this year evidently maintains its title, the lightest 14-inch laptop. That translates to 2.19 pounds, or 990 grams. That's significantly less than the LG Gram 14, which comes in at 2.5 pounds, or 1,143 grams. The chassis is still magnesium lithium and magnesium aluminum alloy, which should be quite resilient. The big changes this year are the processor, which gets a predictable bump to Intel 10th Gen Ice Lake U series, but there's also now an option to get NVIDIA GeForce MX250 for discrete graphics. If you don't opt for that GPU, the system falls back to new Intel Iris Plus. The MX250 is a decent GPU, and while it's not meant for gaming, it does allow for some light photo or video editing. Because it is using Intel 10th Gen, this laptop also gets Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5, and USB Type-C with Thunderbolt 3. Seeing Thunderbolt 3 in a mid-range laptop is quite exciting, but you can be assured Acer won't be the only one offering such a configuration. The display is a respectable Full HD, though it's not that bright. It has a 3-sided narrow bezel though for 86% screen to body ratio, and it is a touchscreen too with anti-glare, which is noteworthy. Rounding things out are up to 512 gigabytes of PCIe SSD for storage and a fingerprint reader for Windows Hello. Battery life is expected to be between 10 and 12 hours, but there's also fast charging on board as well. Look for the updated Swift 5 to hit various markets in November with a starting price of just $899.
All right, so there's a quick look at the Swift 5. Now, if you want more information about this device, go to the description below, as we'll have a link there. Like I said, it should be available in November. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think. Otherwise, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.